Advanced notes. 1. I, we, do, they, plus do plus infinitive. He, she, it, plus does, plus infinitive, plus s, es, or ies. Examples. I do finish my daily tasks before my brother. She does finish her daily tasks before her brother. 2. Subject plus no longer plus infinitive plus s, es, ies. Example. He no longer wants to go out with you. 3. Subject plus don't, doesn't, plus infinitive, plus any longer, any more. Examples. He doesn't want to go out with you any longer. We don't eat cereals anymore. 4. Rarely usage. A. Subject plus rarely plus present simple tense. Example. She rarely leaves early. B. Rarely plus do, does, plus subject plus infinitive. Example. Rarely does she leave early.